It's Wednesday, so let's go see what's going on in the LATROBE shop right now. Terrell's over here in the tint bay with a brand new Hyundai Santa Fe. They did a really good job on these, especially with this color. I like this color combo. We're doing our famous front windows just to match the back ones. Over in the ceramic bay, Zach's actually finishing up a coating on this Dodge Ram. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but the paint looks great on this thing. Super glossy. Did a ceramic coating on it. Zach went around and polished all the paint. Coated everything, side steps, bed cover, took the wheels off, inside barrel of the wheels. Everything is done and protected. He's just finishing that up. It's gonna cure overnight and customer will pick up in the morning. In the wash bay, our good friend Chip, this is 2 of 4 coming to us for an annual checkup. We do all his cars, we ceramic coat them. They come in once a year for an annual checkup. We wash it, clay it, iron decon, bath it, check out the paint, make sure it's doing everything it's supposed to do, touch up anything that we don't like, and get him on his way. Over in the PPF bay, these guys are super busy this week. They are doing a full wrap on this brand new Lexus. It's getting a full gloss wrap. All the painted surfaces will get paint protection film on it just to help protect it from daily driving, any kind of damages and things like that. Then behind it is this brand new Lucid Gravity. Same exact thing, we're doing a full paint protection film wrap on this. All the paints and plastics are gonna get protected so they can daily drive it and not have to worry about getting any kind of damage to it. The cool thing about the Lucid one is this one's getting a stealth paint protection film wrap, so all the gloss pieces will go to a flat black and change the whole look of this thing, so stay tuned for that, it's gonna look cool. Coming outside, we have Caleb checking over the first wrap of the week that they got done. This is another paint protection full wrap. We did the stealth finish, so it was gloss black. We put the stealth wrap over top of it and changed it to a matte finish. Caleb's just looking over everything, making sure all the corners and edges look great before it gets pushed over to ceramic, and then Zach will do his thing. Beside it is another full wrap. This is a Cadillac Escalade. Customer came in for ceramic coating, and then after talking about some of the things that he wanted to do, he definitely wanted to protect this beautiful V black paint job. So we're doing a full wrap on this as well. Keep that black paint looking great, safe from damage, and then we're gonna do a ceramic coating on top of that once the guys are done. Over here in the corner of the lot, we got Mr. Barbish's big skid loader he dropped off. We tint all of his work equipment, keep his workers in there nice and comfortable when the sun's blazing in there. So we'll tint the cab with all our ceramic tint. It's gonna block all that heat and add a little bit of privacy in there. Coming around the front, we got Anthony's Porsche Targa here. We just had to do some touch up on it. Came back in for an annual inspection just to check up everything, make sure that looks good and great. Our Shop with a Cop Corvette, if you didn't have tickets for it or get tickets for it yet, make sure you do. This goes off Christmas Day, and you can stop in our shop to grab them. Last but not least is this Porsche. We're doing a full wrap on this one as well. Once the guys are done with the Escalade, this is next on deck. I believe they're gonna start this next week. And then that's Tom's Porsche. That just came back from paint. We're waiting for that to cure out so we can throw some PPF on the front bumper. I don't know what shop you're gonna see next because we have so many of them, but let's send it to that one.
Flat Glass Man with another architectural update. Today we're working on this house in Greensburg that had some film installed a few years ago, but the customer decided that he wanted to go with a darker product to offer a little bit more daytime privacy and heat rejection. So we're installing xpel's Blend DR17, which has a subtle but strong reflection on the outside to make sure that you have a nice clear view out, but you can't necessarily see in. We'll have some more pictures and videos to share down the road once this house is done. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
Hello and welcome to Gibsonia. It's Wednesday, and we're going to take you for a quick trip through the shop. First car up is it's an Integra Type S that received an 8-year ceramic coating, xpel ceramic coating. Before we apply the ceramic coating, I actually did a full paint polish on it, removed the wheels, did a ceramic coating on the wheels, and did a ceramic coating on the calipers as well. Over here we have a 911 Targa. This car came to us to get some window tint, which is done, and tentatively it will be getting some paint protection film on some various surfaces on the vehicle. Over here we have a Hummer HEV. This is here to get a full stealth wrap as well as getting the door sills with paint protection film. This is a Mercedes G63. This is here for a full stealth wrap in the xpel paint protection film, as well as windshield protection and a ceramic coating. So over here in the tint bay, we have a Subaru Legacy that the guys are working on. This is getting CS20 on the windows and a CS5 visor. Over here we have a 1984 Porsche 911 SC. This one came here to get XR20 window tint. This GT3 back here is in for a 10 mil full xpel paint protection film wrap, as well as a ceramic coating. So this Model S is getting the XR Line 15% window tint, which I believe is already done. It's getting a full front 8mm xpel paint protection film package on it, as well as door cups and a screen protector.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. See what we got going on this week.
In the tint bay, we have this 2026 Chevy Corvette Stingray that's in for the 2 front windows in our XR block. For our Corvette fans, this is the new 2026 model that has the updated interior. Ready for pickup, we have this Corolla Cross that came in for full XR Plus window tint all around, including the windshields, and a full 4-year ceramic coating on the exterior.